Alright guys, diecastmania here with a review of the Boley 1/87 scale GMC Topkick cement mixer. So, got this for $5 at a show around here. Pretty nice piece. The original price was $9.99. Department 187. Some of you may know Boley is out of business now, but found one of these, so decided to get one. So right here, this piece, drum rotates, all orange, nice detail on the front. With the GMC logo, painted headlights, air intake on the side, GMC Topkick logo, silvered mirrors, door handles, running lights, window trim, it's all there. Same plastic base as usual, and these tires, they're not really rubber, they're like a hard plastic, but they're a separate piece from the rim. So the rear drop axle goes up and down, mainly wants to stay down. It rolls as well. So also this little ladder folds down, folds back up. The cement chute pivots 180 degrees. Like that. There is an extra piece of chute over here and over here, which are not detachable. The drum is hollow though, and there is actually a hole, so you could actually pose it pouring cement, I guess. Real nice, good detailing on this piece. Cool little models, and if you can find one for a good price, I highly recommend buying them. So there you go guys, thanks for watching, bye.